Okay, guys, this is a 2023 October 19th video, and this is a correction video for our new clocks because our clocks are much smaller than the ones in the other videos. So we are going to go in and we're going to just click on those guys and we're going to get rid of the old clock circles. We're going to come right in here to circle and we're going to switch to diameter. And we're going to put in a diameter of 2.51 and just hit create. Doesn't matter where it creates it right now. If you click on it, we can drag it over here. I'm going to show you another way to do a circle while we're at it. I'm going to take this circle and I'm going to click and drag, and while it's still highlighted, I'm going to come right over here and type in the size I want for this one, which this one is going to be 2.84, which that represents the ring of the clock. I'm going to hit apply and you're going to see it get smaller. Now I'm going to show you one more thing. I'm going to select both of these by making a box around both of them. And it's kind of neat. If you select from the lower right and go up, anything it touches it will select. However, if you start from the top and come down, it won't do that. You have to put the whole thing in the box. All right, and that's another way, just a quick little trick for selecting. If you start low and go up, it'll select anything it touches. If you start high and come down, you need to include everything inside the box. All right, now we're going to go to our alignment thing, and we want these to be centered with each other. Okay, close, and I'm going to temporarily group those objects. So now when I move them, they're going to stay locked together. So I can place this where I want. Now remember, if you want to have it centered in your clock, you could go back in there and align it to the material. Maybe you just want it centered left and right, and then you want to move it up. So that's that. When you go to add the clock pocket though, when you add the clock pocket, you're going to need to ungroup this thing before you can assign the tool path. So we're going to ungroup it. We're going to select the inner one, and we're going to apply our clock pocket to that. So if we double click on that, you can use the same information from the other video. We're going to cut it to a depth of 0.625. We're going to use the 1/2 inch straight bit. We're going to do 3 passes. We want the feed rate to be 1 second and the plunge 1 inch per second and 1/2 inch per second with a 0.2 step over and a pass depth of 1/4 inch. So all of that information remains the same. If you select that guy, you can preview it and we can get an idea of what that's going to look like with our new clock on there. Remember that this outer ring is there so that when you do your design, you don't tuck it underneath there. All right, that's it.